Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will give you a simple review of Apollo Group TV. Apollo Group TV is a popular streaming service that offers a wide range of live TV channels and on-demand content. It is designed to provide an alternative to traditional cable TV, delivering high-quality streaming at a lower cost. One of the key features of Apollo Group TV is its extensive channel lineup. It includes thousands of channels from around the world. This makes it a versatile option for viewers with diverse interests. The service is known for its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy to navigate. Users can browse channels, access a TV guide, and use the search function to locate specific programs quickly. Additionally, Apollo Group TV offers features like Catch-Up TV, which allows viewers to watch shows they missed up to a few days after they aired. Another advantage of Apollo Group TV is its compatibility with multiple devices. It can be accessed on smart TVs, smartphones, tablets, and streaming devices like Roku and Fire Stick. If we talk about Apollo's plans and pricing, the starter is at $45, silver at $71, gold at $119, and platinum at $215. This flexibility allows users to enjoy their favorite content on the go or from the comfort of their homes. In terms of performance, Apollo Group TV delivers high-quality streams with minimal buffering, provided you have a stable internet connection. The service supports HD and even 4K streaming for channels that offer it, ensuring a premium viewing experience. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.